Numerical on CST element stiffness matrix. There are two cases while solving such type of problem. When deflection given, and in second case deflection are unknown. Okay, so in first case when deflection or deformation are given, so we not required a stiffness matrix. We can directly calculate stresses by using relation. And in second case when we don't have deformation, we need to calculate deformation first, and then by putting this value in stiffness matrix we can calculate stresses. So we'll see first case. First numerical on first case when deformations are given. So according to problem statement, the triangular metallic plate having a value of E, that is Young's modulus of elasticity, equal to 210 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton per mm square, then Poisson's ratio 0.25 of thickness 10 mm is used in machine assembly. The coordinate of three vertices of plate are shown in figure, means coordinate x and y of node 1, 2, 3 are given. That is first node on 10, 10, second 70, 35, and third 25, 75. The deflection observed at three node are, means you represent deformation in x direction and we represent a deformation in y direction. So respective deformation in x and y at node 1, 2, 3 are given. That is u1 0.01 mm, then this is nothing but u2, mistakenly it write v1, so u2 is equal to minus 0.04 mm, u3 0.03 mm, then v2, v3 and v3 respectively. So assuming this actually assumption, the plate is CST element, and determine strain and stresses. Okay, so main objective to calculate stresses. So here already deformation are given, so our main objective to find stresses. So stress and strain relation are given, that is sigma is equal to d into epsilon. So in this equation we require two terms, that is d and epsilon. So d is nothing but stress strain relation matrix, and epsilon, that is strain. So how to get strain? Strain is equal to b into u. U is nothing but our displacement matrix, deformation matrix, and its respective value are given. Okay, so question arise how to find b. B required, or B having relation in terms of Jacobian matrix J and x and y coordinate. So this is somewhat reverse engineering. So we required again D and J. So now start from numerical. So value, we have value of E, Poisson's ratio, thickness, then coordinate x, y of node 1, 2, 3. First we will calculate stress strain matrix, that is D. So according to relation we required E and only Poisson's ratio. So both the value we have given, just put in this matrix and we will get value of D. Okay, next step to calculate B, that is stress displacement matrix. So it required Jacobian matrix J. So Jacobian matrix J, x13, y13, x23 and y23. So x13 is nothing but x1 minus x3. So we have all respective value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Just put it in this matrix and we'll get value of J matrix. Okay, this is J matrix and this is determinant of J, that is 3 5 2 5. So B required determinant of J and y2 3 y1 3. So just example, y2 3 is nothing but y2 minus y3. Just put all value of x and y, we'll get last matrix, that is in terms of B. Okay, after that we require displacement and its value given according to problem statement. Next step, to calculate element strain. So we have B and U vector. So size of matrix B, that is 3 by 6, and size of displacement matrix, that is 6 by 1. So ultimate its product size of matrix after evaluating, that is 3 by 1. So strain is matrix given in 3 by 1 and its respective strain in x, y and shear stress x, y. Okay, so just putting a respective value of D and epsilon, we'll get, and after simplifying it, we'll get the value of sigma x, sigma y and tau xy, because third term represent shear stress in xy plane. Here we consider only xy plane, so normal stress in x, normal stress in y, and shear stress in xy plane according to plane stress principle. Okay, because there are two types, plane stress and plane strain. So we consider here plane stress problem. So respective value of sigma x, sigma y and tau xy given here. Okay, thank you.